Welcome to this Scout quick video. Today we are looking at the monitors page. This is a page that you use once the unit is installed and you get the unit online, but before you actually do a solar sizing for the site. So you can just monitor the site and get some insights on what is happening and how they are consuming energy. So first off, you click on monitors top right, you get to this page. You then select your monitor. Once you buy a Scout unit from us, your unit with its unique serial number gets loaded onto your profile. So you will find your unit here. I've got a few units because I've got an admin profile. So basically you'll have your units that you've purchased and the demo. The demo is available on any Scout profile, and that gives you a chance to try the software before buying a Scout unit. So if you haven't registered yet, you can register today and start looking at the demo unit and see how the software works. So your first graph here is you can select your day over here. So first thing is, if you have a Scout S3 with 3 current clamps and you've set it up for single phase usage, example, current clamp 1 is on your main incomer into the house, current clamp 2 is on a circuit like the geyser, and current clamp 3 is on another circuit like the kitchen or stove, then you just leave this button as is. That means it is on single phase view. If you used your Scout S3 to measure a 3-phase house, you will select here and it will change the graphs to 3-phase. The demo unit is set up as a single phase, and that's what we'll go over today. So first of all, you've got your hourly kilowatt hour breakdown for the specific day selected. Each hour here, blue is your current clamp 1, orange CT2, green CT3. You can see blue on this demo unit's on a main incomer, the orange is on a geyser, and the green is on the stove. So you can get some insights on how they are using electricity. Next, you've got your 5-minute peaks for the whole day on the specific day that you selected there. So this is the highest peak that the unit reached in a 5-minute period. This gives you a good insight into what size inverter they might need. More on that when we do a solar sizing. Or you can identify appliances and loads that are causing very high peaks that might not be put onto the solar system. For example, a pool pump that can be put on a dedicated solar pool pump system, or a workshop with welding equipment that might be run on a generator after a solar system is installed. So you get your peak usage here, again CT1, 2 and 3. So that's for a specific day. Then when you scroll down, you can select a date range. So I'll select a week period here. You choose the date and you choose the time. When you install your Scout, make a note of when you installed it. Then you select your CTs. So now you've got more flexibility. There are 7 here because we are working on a prototype for a 7 current clamp unit, but you just select the CTs you need. So I know that this unit, blue is measuring the total consumption of the house. So if I just want to see what the total consumption is, I can unselect these ones. I'm just going to look on the mains. What is the total consumption of this house? Then I get a good breakdown per day of what's used for my date selection. I also get the highest recorded peak per day. So if you look here at the 9th and on the 2nd and the 3rd, 9.3 kilowatt, 11.8. So this house uses sort of the average. Most houses, average house uses about 30 kilowatt hours per day, but they peak pretty high at 9 and 11.8. Then the last graph on the monitoring page is a day-night consumption breakdown, and this just splits your consumption into day, which is 8 o'clock till 5, and night, which is the other hours. This gives you a good indication how much power can be saved during the day if the correct solar system is installed. If you would like to put this information onto a PDF, you can click here, generate PDF, and the system will create a monitoring report for you that you can give to your client. So yeah, I downloaded, and there is a little monitoring report that you can use or that you can send to your client.